Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your macOS Big Sur language to Spanish. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by selecting the System Preferences button down in our System dock. So go ahead and left click on that. Select where it says Language and Region, so go ahead and left click on that button. Select the little plus button down here. Now you can search the field, so if I just type in Spanish, or you can see Espanol, Spanish. I didn't even have to click on anything, I just click on Espanol, Spanish. Go ahead and select Add. And it's going to say, would you like to use Spanish as your primary language? I'm going to go ahead and select that here. You will need to restart your computer for all the changes to take effect. You can see a couple have already taken effect here, which is good. But again, go ahead and restart your computer, and then hopefully the change should take effect, and that should be about it. Again, restart your computer, and thanks for watching. Do a buzz able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.